think what's good and unique about the business that we are in is all what we do, if we do it, I think, in a responsible manner, is solving for a sustainability or an ESG issue. The core of our business is connecting people, making sure that people are having access to the information and to the services. The more we connect people, the more people get education, health, access to economy, the less mobility that they need to commute to get these services, and they can also create their own economy while at home. So we're lucky that we are an industry, if we do it for the right reason of business, for the return of the shareholder, and at the same time, we could be doing it for fulfilling the responsibility toward our society, environment, and economy. The dark side of it is we still have 2.7 billion people globally unconnected.
Yeah.
We're seeing a lot of development today on the ICT, people talking about AI, metaverse, and all of these things, but we shouldn't be ignoring the rest of the world who are not yet connected. Imagine if we manage as an industry to get them connected to the rest of the world, how much of a difference we'll be making to their lives, how much of a contribution that they will be contributing to the whole globe. Adding to that, the education part of it. I do believe we have a strong opportunity that getting the best out of everybody on earth, if they get educated on how to deal with the digital economy, how can they contribute with whatever knowledge, skills, experience to the whole economy. So yes, I do believe we have a large part. A lot of it will come from collaboration. I think collaboration between the industry players, collaboration within the whole ecosystem with the vendors, as well as with the regulators who should be incentivizing and stimulating good initiatives towards the society and the economy.
Absolutely.